Do you know that feeling when you just want to leave home without planning? When you just want to drive far away and do whatever your gut instinct tells you? Live completely in the moment and say yes to everything that comes across your journey. Don't always do things that make sense. Sometimes just do things you want to do. Fun is a good enough reason.
Let the wind into your soul and start to breathe. Together we'll be free. It's not just you and me.
When you choose to take the road, sisters sing. Imagine all the words becoming real. Together